Hey, good morning students. In continuation of last video electrophilic substitution, yesterday we saw important electrophilic substitution reaction, that means last video. What is that? Halogenation and nitration. Okay, in continuation we'll see some more electrophilic substitution reaction. In that way, first one is today first third one, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Alkylation means substitution of alkyl group. Alkyl group means methyl group, ethyl group, okay, propyl group, butyl group. All these are we called as alkyl group. The substitution of alkyl group in place of hydrogen on benzene we called as alkylation. Friedel-Crafts is the scientist. Okay, here what is the symbol of alkyl? Here hydrogen is there now. Hydrogen replaced with the alkyl. Or means it may be anyone, ethyl, methyl, propyl, butyl, or anyone. Okay, we call as alkyl group. Okay, here I am taking one reaction. First, okay, here I am starting with the benzene. This is the benzene. Here hydrogen is there. It is reacts with alkyl chloride. Alkyl halide or any. Okay, R means alkyl. Cl means chloride. Here R is equal to, it may be methyl, or it may be ethyl, or it may be C3H7 propyl, butyl, isobutyl, or any group. R is equal to. Okay, in presence of anhydrous aluminium trichloride, AlCl3. Here we are using anhydrous aluminium trichloride. We can't use the hydrous aluminium trichloride. If we use hydrous aluminium trichloride, that will react with water. Hydrous means water na. That water which contains hydrous aluminium trichloride reacts with alkyl chloride, forms alcohol. That alcohol not reacts with the benzene and not, okay, what we call, will not get the Friedel-Crafts alkylation product. Instead of Friedel-Crafts alkylation product, will get other products. So we can't use here hydrous aluminium trichloride. We can use only anhydrous aluminium trichloride. What happened? Here Cl, here H loses in the form of HCl and form R. This we call as alkyl benzene. Called as alkyl benzene. Okay, here it is R is equal to CH3, that called methyl benzene. R is equal to C2H5 ethyl benzene, C3H7 propyl benzene, C4H9 butyl benzene, like that. Okay, what is the mechanism for this reaction? This is also important. All electrophilic substitution reactions involves in 3 steps. What are those? First one, formation of an electrophile. Formation of an electrophile. This is the first step. Okay, here alkyl halide, alkyl chloride reacts with anhydrous aluminium trichloride. This anhydrous aluminium trichloride has vacant orbital. It has capability to accept one electron pair. So it is considered as a Lewis acid. It has capability to accept one electron pair. So it is considered as a Lewis acid. It accepts the one electron from chlorine. Chlorine comes along with the bond. Along with the bonded electrons. That means here chlorine gets negative charge. This carbon gets, alkyl group gets positive charge. This we call alkyl carbonium ion. This alkyl carbonium ion is the electrophile. This alkyl carbonium ion is here electrophile. Along with that, what you will get? AlCl4 minus. This alkyl carbonimine is the electrophile here. This alkyl carbonimine electrophile attack on benzene. Attacks on benzene in second step. What is the second step? Formation of sigma complex. Formation of sigma complex. Okay, here take benzene. Here electron transfer. Anyway, here to here all positions are same, so electron transfer. What happens here? Bond. Here transfer na. Here we get negative charge. Here we get the positive charge. Then R plus alkyl carbonimine attacks. Where attacks? Positive charge attack at negative charge. Okay, here C bond. Here already hydrogen is there. Every carbon has hydrogen. Here R with positive charge. Okay, here positive charge means it requires electrons. Okay, these electrons are transferred towards this carbon. Positive charge with carbon. What happens? Here one. Here we get positive charge. Here H. Here R. Here this carbon has positive charge. What this carbon do? This attracts the electron from another carbon. What happened here? Bond. Here positive charge. Here H. Here R. Okay, already all transferred. These are the pi electrons. The delocalization of pi electrons. See here pi electron. Okay, transformation we called delocalization. Here also pi electron transfer. The delocalization of pi electrons is called as resonance. That means this molecule involves in resonance. This is the symbol for resonance. Double-headed mark symbol for the resonance. This is the resonance structure 1. This is the resonance structure 2. This is the resonance structure 3. Why it involves resonance? For the stability. If any molecule involves in the resonance, that gets more and more stability. That's why it involves in the resonance. The mixture of these three resonance structures, 1, 2, 3. The mixture of these three resonance structures we called as sigma complex. Sigma complex. Okay, alkyl group attacked and this resonance structure gets stabilized. Okay, now next, what is the third step? Formation of stable compound. Stable compound or removal of H plus ion. Removal of H plus ion. Okay, take any one resonance structure. For our convenience, I am taking this one. Okay, here bond, here H, here R with positive charge. This resonance structure reacts with AlCl4 minus. This AlCl4 minus ion attacks on hydrogen. That means hydrogen donates electron towards the carbon positive and it releases in the form of H plus. This H plus and Cl minus reacts with each other and releases HCl. Okay, Cl minus releasing means what will get back the catalyst. Okay, after that what we have here, this is the gold bond, this is the gold bond, and here electron hydrogen releasing now. Hydrogen electron transfer towards this carbon, so double bond formed, and here R. This is called alkyl benzene. This is the preparation of alkyl benzene and mechanism for the alkyl benzene. What is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation? Benzene reacts with alkyl chloride. in the presence of anhydrous aluminum trichloride forms alkyl benzene. This is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay, it involves in 3 steps. What are those? Formation of an electrophile, formation of sigma complex, formation of stable compound. And why we use the anhydrous, already said. Okay, in continuation we'll see the one more Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acetylation. Direct and acetylation. Acylation means general. Acetylation means specific. Okay, here what is the Friedel-Crafts acetylation? The substitution of acetyl group in place of hydrogen on benzene. What is the acetyl group? Here hydrogen. Hydrogen is replaced with C double bond O CH3 group. This is called acetyl group. This is called acetyl group. Okay, this is called acetyl group. And here, see the reaction. Benzene, please reacts with acetyl chloride. This is the benzene. This one is acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride reacts with each other in presence of anhydrous aluminum trichloride. Again I am taking anhydrous. Why? If you use hydrous, that is reacts with the acetyl chloride, water reacts with the acetyl chloride and forms acetic acid. Okay, this acetic acid not reacts with the benzene and will not get the Friedel-Crafts acetylation product. We will get other products. But what we need? Friedel-Crafts acetylation product. That's why here we use anhydrous aluminum. Okay, next. Here what happened? Here Cl, here H. Loses in the form of HCl and forms benzene. Okay, here this is also same. C double bond O CH3. The name of this molecule is, common name of this molecule is acetoniline. Acetophenone. Acetophenone or here acetyl benzene. Okay, and one more thing, here methyl, here phenyl. Okay, methyl phenyl. C double bond O function group is called ketone. Methyl phenyl ketone. In examination point of view, they may ask in PU level. PU level also they asked. Okay, how do you prepare acetophenone from benzene? Write the mechanism. 5 marks question. 5 marks question. Should write the mechanism, not only reaction. Okay, this is the reaction. See the mechanism. Okay, it also involves in 3 steps. What are those? First one, formation of an electrophile. How will get the electrophile? Here I am taking CH3, C double bond O, C. It is reacts with aluminium trichloride. Aluminium trichloride is used as in it attracts the chlorine from this one. Okay, what happened? CH3, it is Lewis acid. What happens here? CH3 C double bond plus. This is we called acetyl carbonium ion. Acetyl carbonium ion. This is an electrophile. Okay, and AlCl4 minus. This is an electrophile. Okay, now this electrophile attacked on benzene in second step. What is that second step? Formation of sigma complex. Formation of sigma complex. Okay, here how sigma complex was formed here? See, same reaction. Electron transfer. Here bond, here bond. Here negative charge, here positive charge. Then this acetyl group attacks. What happens here? Here bond, here hydrogen. Write like this. Don't write CH3 side. You write C double bond outside only. Okay, we'll get this carbonium ion. This is the resonance structure 1. Yes, no? It involves in resonance. These electron transfer. Bond, here positive charge. Here H. C double bond O. CH3. Again, this pi electron transferred here. Okay, this is the resonance structure 2. It also involves in resonance. Bond, here positive charge, here H, C double bond O, CH3. This is the resonance structure 3. 3 resonance structures per formed. The mixture of these 3 resonance structures we called as sigma complex. Finished. All are same, but attacking electrophile is different. Okay, in third step, formation of stable compound. Formation of stable compound. You take any resonance structure, okay, but I am taking here this resonance structure. Visible? Okay, next step. Bond, here positive charge, here H, C double bond O, CH3. It is reacts with AlCl4 minus, attacks on hydrogen. Same. These electron transfer towards this one. Okay, this hydrogen H plus reacts with Cl minus and forms HCl. Okay, it loses Cl minus means we get that the AlCl3. Okay, next bond. This hydrogen electron transfer towards carbon bond. Okay, bond, and here C double bond O, CH3. We'll get the product. This we called as Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay, in continuation, we'll see the Friedel-Crafts benzylation. Benzylation means just here only I am modifying. Benzylation, acetylation both will be same, but one group change. In place of methyl group, in benzylation we have the phenyl group. That means benzene group. Same, remaining is same. Here only I am modifying. Okay, fourth reaction. Okay, acylation. Instead of acylation, I am writing benzylation. Benzylation means okay, this we called as benzoyl group. Okay, then we called benzophenone. benzoyl benzene. Okay, here benzoyl and phenyl ketone mixing later. Okay, when benzene reacts with benzoyl chloride, this is the benzoyl chloride. Benzene with C double bond was here, we call as benzoyl chloride. Same, benzene reacts with benzoyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum trichloride. Here we get the benzoyl benzene. Benzoyl benzene. This we call benzoyl benzene, okay, or benzoyl benzene, or benzophenone, or diphenyl ketone. This is the phenyl, this is the phenyl. We call diphenyl ketone. Diphenyl ketone. Okay, here instead of this is we called Friedel-Crafts benzolation reaction. Okay, it also involves in 3 steps. It also involves in 3 steps. What are those? Formation of electrophile, formation of sigma complex, formation of stable compound. Here just I change in place of methyl group I change with the phenyl group, remaining as usual. Okay, here phenyl group. Why I am explaining like this? Since both reactions are same, like that's why I am explaining like this. Benzoyl chloride reacts with Lewis acid and forms benzoyl carbonium ion. Benzoyl carbonium ion. This benzoyl carbonium ion is electrophile along with the AlCl4 minus. Then this benzoyl group attacks on benzene like this. Here also we will get the resonance structure. 1, same resonance. Here also we will get the resonance structure 2. Here we get the resonance structure 3. Next, this mixture we called as sigma complex. Next, what is the third one? Formation of stable compound. Here I am taking one resonance structure 1. It loses same attachment, remaining as usual except phenyl. We'll get benzoyl benzene. Benzoyl benzene or benzophenone or diphenyl ketone. This we called as Friedel-Crafts benzolation. Previously we called Friedel-Crafts acetylation. Okay, if you substitute RC double bond O plus instead of phenyl and methyl, if you substitute this group, we called acylation. We called acylation. CH3 is there means acetylation. R is there means acylation. Phenyl is there means benzolation. Phenyl is there means benzolation. This is about the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, Friedel-Crafts benzolation. 3 reactions finished. Then in continuation we will see the one more important reaction, that is sulfonation. Okay, all are same, that's why I am telling all. Next, sulfonation. Sulfonation. Okay, the substitution of hydrogen with SO3H group. SO3H group we call as sulfonyl group. Sulfonic acid group. The substitution of hydrogen with SO3H group we called as sulfonation. we called as sulfonation. Okay, here we'll see the sulfonation reaction. What is the sulfonation reaction? When benzene reacts with sulfuric acid, 2 moles of sulfuric acid in the presence of or at 50 degrees centigrade temperature. At 50 degrees centigrade temperature forms benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. What is the reaction? Benzene reacts with 2 moles sulfuric acid at 50 degrees centigrade temperature forms benzene sulfuric acid that we called as sulfonation. Here I am taking benzene, hydrogen. Take 2 moles of sulfuric acid. Okay, at 50 degrees centigrade temperature forms SO3H. The hydrogen replaced with SO3H now. So this is called sulfonation and the compound is called benzene sulfonic acid. Compound is called benzene sulfonic acid. Mechanism for this one. How many steps are there? 3. This is also one of the electrophilic substitution reaction. It also involves in 3 steps. Formation of an electrophile, formation of sigma complex, formation of stable compound or removal of H plus ion. First one, formation of an electrophile. Okay, 2 moles of sulfuric acid reacts with each other, lose water. What will get here? H2, 2 moles H2 means H4, S2, remove water means H2 and S2, 1 oxygen removed. Out of 8 oxygen we remove 1 oxygen. That means O7. H2S2O7 was formed. This H2S2O7 we called as oleum. This may be written like this: H2SO4 plus SO3. That's not same. Okay, this sulfur trioxide here electrophile, neutral electrophile here. In all the cases we got positive electrophile. It is neutral electrophile. Here sulfur trioxide is neutral electrophile. Okay, here this neutral electrophile attacks on benzene and forms sigma complex. Second one is what? Formation of sigma complex. See here, same electron transferred here. Here we get negative charge, here we get positive charge. Directly I wrote. Okay, that is SO3, sulfur trioxide, negative charge attack on sulfur trioxide. Okay, this sulfur trioxide may be written like this: sulfur, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O. Attacks here na? Attacks here. That means these electrons transfer towards oxygen. Okay, transfer towards oxygen means we will get the negative charge. Okay, see, I am showing that one. Hydrogen here na? Here positive charge, here bond. Okay, here SO3 with negative charge. Then it involves in resonance. This is the resonance structure 1. Okay, these electrons transfer towards this one. What happened? Bond, here positive charge, here H, SO3 minus. Next again, these electrons transferred here. What happened? This is the resonance structure 2. Bond here we get the positive charge. HSO3 minus. This is the resonance structure 3. The mixture of these 3 resonance structures we call as sigma complex. Okay, next third step, formation of stable compound. Formation of stable compound. You take any one resonance structure. Okay, here I am taking first resonance structure. Here plus, here H, here SO3 minus. Here carbon, hydrogen electrons are transferred towards positive charge. That means it loses H plus ground. Bond, SO3 minus bond. Okay, again this released H plus ion attacks. Why attacks? In all the reactions it doesn't attacks. But in this reaction it attacks. Why? Here negative charge is there. Okay, this negative charge reacts with H plus ion. We will get benzene sulfonic acid. This is the preparation of benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, these are the important electrophilic substitution reaction which are observed in organic chemistry on benzene. Okay, in continuation we will see some more types of chemical reaction next video. Thank you.